Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install Fedora Linux Workstation 44 on VirtualBox. Okay, first go to Fedora Linux official website and download it. Is Fedora project.was. See here the latest release at the time of making this video is 44. Power mouse on this get Fedora. See here we have the Workstation KDE Plasma server and other options. In this video I am going to download and install Workstation Edition. If you want others, you can search for my YouTube channel. I made video for others as well. Okay, then click on download. Then see here we have the Fedora Workstation 44 live ISO. See for Intel and AMD systems. Click on this download button. Wait a moment. See download started. See here its size is about 2.7 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox, then search for my YouTube channel how to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems. Then click on new or machine and select new to create new virtual machine. Then provide the name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. If you want some other location, click on this drop down and select other. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Then select the downloaded ISO image by clicking on this drop down button. See, once we selected these options, OS change it to Linux, OS distribution to Fedora, and OS version is Fedora 64-bit. Then don't select this proceed with unrated installation. Then click on next. Now we have to provide base memory, number of CPUs and disk size. I am giving base memory as 4 gigabytes. It is up to you based on availability. Number of CPUs to virtual hard disk size I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, this is a virtual machine summary. If you want to modify any one of these settings, click on back and you can edit. Okay, I'm okay with all, so click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click, then select settings, or just select it and click on settings, or go to machine and select settings. All three options are same. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on start. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is start Fedora Workstation live, and hit enter. Now if you want to use this for testing purpose, close this one and use. But if you want to install permanently, you have to click on this install Fedora Linux. Now you have to select the language and keyboard layout. If you are unable to find the language, just search here. Then click on next. See, destination we have only one disk, so it's selected. Use entire disk and click on next. If you want to encrypt data, you have to select the checkbox. Then you have to provide the password. Okay, it is up to you. Then next. See, these are the settings that we have selected for this virtual machine. If you are okay with all the settings, click on erase and install. See, installation has been started. See, it is going to configure storage, then software installation, then system configuration. Okay, so this will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Once installation completes, then we will perform the post installation steps. See, installation has been completed successfully. To begin, using Fedora Linux Workstation, reboot your system. Before rebooting, go to VirtualBox Manager. See here, optical drive is not empty. Just click on this optical drive, remove disk from virtual drive, then select force unmount, then go to virtual machine, then click on exit live desktop. Come to here and right click, then select reset. Select this, reset again. See, now it is rebooting. Welcome to Fedora Linux 44 Workstation Edition. Then click on Start Setup. You want to turn on this privacy, local services and automatic problematic report. You have to keep this one. If you don't want, turn off like this. Okay, then click on Next. Now we have to select the time zone. Select from the globe, or you can search cities in this search box. Then click on Next. If you want to enable third-party repositories, you have to click on this. Okay, it is up to you. Then click on Next. Now we have to create our setup user. I am giving user full name as R2 schools and the username also same. Then click on Next. Set the password for this user. Remember this password. Later we need this password. Then click on Next. All done. Click on Start using Fedora Linux. Skip. Now open terminal. Increase the font size by going to Preferences. Select the palette. Then see, font size has been increased. Now verify the version mod/etc os-release. See, we have installed version number 44 and it is Workstation Edition. Control A. The first step after connecting to Fedora Linux is we have to update the packages. Sudo dnf update -- sudo dnf upgrade. Hit enter. Then put the password that we have set for this user. See, it is going to install 12 packages, upgrading 422 and replacing 423. Type 5 for confirmation, hit enter. Okay, this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Fedora Linux 44 Workstation Edition on VirtualBox. Okay, for more Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.